Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing so that you get notified when we post new videos. Like this video, that's the only thing that keeps me going. If you're looking for robots, indicators, systems, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Everything is available to download for free. For free. You don't pay for anything. So go ahead and like this video. If you have comments, if you have thoughts, leave them in the comment section below. Okay, so today we are again trading the Nasdaq 430 strategy. I have explained this strategy previously. Go through this channel and see if you cannot find the videos talking about how to trade with this strategy. If you were watching the other channel, I'll link the video in the description box below. Basically, this is an account that I almost blew. I got a bit cocky, and yeah, the market will always humble you. Remember that the market will humble you, and never have faith in a position. Don't put all your faith in a position. So basically, I am now trying to rebuild this account. So yeah, let's see what happens today. Some music.
Perfect. Perfect.